So what are the best landing page builders that you can use right now? Let's get to it. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. My name is David. So a landing page piece of software is just something that builds like an optimized single page that has some type of like call to action, whether or not it's to get someone to subscribe to your email list or to try and convert a sale for a product. Landing page builders are incredibly useful for your online business. It's really how you take your income to that next level, because I think a lot of beginners just get tunnel vision with just wanting to focus on blog content and just focus on YouTube videos. Whether or not you're driving traffic to your landing page from your YouTube video descriptions, a blog, you're running paid ads, you're going to find landing page builders incredibly helpful. Most landing page software always includes some type of like helpful backend features that you may not be aware of. Something that I find the most helpful would be A/B testing, webinar integration, as well as custom branding, a custom domain name, and unlimited hosting. So when looking at a landing page builder, what are some things that you should take into consideration when making a purchase decision? Does it integrate with your email marketing provider of choice? So typically most people are using like the big name brands like ConvertKit, MailChimp, Aweber, and you're typically not going to have any type of issue having it integrate within landing page builder. Reporting, analytics, and custom code. So this is important because like custom code, if you're running Facebook ads, you want to be able to install the pixel on your landing page. Reporting and analytics, you want to know what your conversion rate is. So if you're sending like 1,000 visitors to your landing page, you can kind of understand how you're converting. So if you have a winner, you can double down on it. Or if you need to make changes, you can proceed as such. Quality, design, and templates that actually convert. So as anyone knows, I'm not all about building some big, overly complicated website. I like speed, optimization, and conversion. Those are the metrics that I care about, and I apply that to any type of landing page builder. So you're going to see a lot of landing page builders where you can just make something really overly complicated. Who cares? What matters is the call to action and the conversion rate. The number of pages that your landing page builder provides. So that's important too, because how are you going to A/B test if you're limited into the number of pages? What if you have multiple products and you have multiple product funnels? You just want a little bit more flexibility on the back end so you can create different types of landing pages for different products, different funnels, so you can A/B test, etc. Exit intent and pop-ups are quite important. So an exit intent is like when the user hits the landing page and then they go to X out, you can have a pop-up appear to convert them by interrupting that process. And then a pop-up is just useful because you could set it to anything. You could have it be like 30 seconds. The person's on the landing page for 30 seconds, then a pop-up appears, or they scroll down 50% of the page, then a pop-up appears. Whatever you want to do, you could set it up on the back end. Anyways, what are some of the best landing page software available right now? What are their pros and cons? If you're ready, let's jump into my laptop and begin. Number one is Leadpages. So Leadpages, in my opinion, is one of the best landing page builders around. So you may think that it's just like a page builder. Like, look at this. Okay, I can design a one-page website. I don't get it. What's the point? You're not just designing like a one-page website or just a page on your website that you drive traffic to. You get a whole bunch of features on the back end that are really helpful. So if we come down here, first off, you get a customizable page builder, just like you've seen up here. But more importantly, you get a bunch of analytics and you get a bunch of conversion tools. So for example, you get pop-ups, alert bars, checkout forms, and more. So let's click over here for more, and let's check out the conversion tools. So these are the big things that you're getting with the price point with Leadpages. So you get exit intent pop-ups. That means when the user scrolls up there to the little tab, something pops up to grab their attention. Real-time analytics, third-party analytics if you want, unlimited A/B testing, which is very, very valuable. Real-time optimization tips, alert bars, pop-ups, etc. Okay. So another thing that I really like is that you get two primary pages that you can kind of test and play around with. So the first page is the actual landing page where you're having a call to action for the person to subscribe to your email list. Once they subscribe to your email list, then you direct them to a thank you page right over here. See this? Like a thank you page, and then, hey, here's a one-time offer for this specific product. You can have it a little time counter for the person to take action, whatever. And so that's why I really like Leadpages, because you get the tools and analytics on the back end. You get a bunch of features like exit intent pop-ups, banners, thank you page that you can customize with technically it's called in the industry a tripwire product, which is like a thank you page with a product. That's how it sets up. Anyways, what's the price point? All right, so you can pay yearly or monthly. So if you pay yearly, it costs about $144 a year, billed annually. Some of you may be like, oh, that's a bit expensive, but it's not if you're using Leadpages to grow your email list. And then when people subscribe, direct them to a thank you page, then make an offer, and then send them down the funnel that you have set up. All right, so anyways, who uses Leadpages that I really like? Miles Beckler. So we come down here to his YouTube video description, get my money making emails right there. We click over here, and where are we directed? /pages/emails. This is Leadpages. And this is what's great about Leadpages, because you can set up a big button, click the button, and here's the pop-up. And this has a little bit higher conversion than just having a standalone form. And the way you can use Leadpages on your own blog is, like, first off, you can present the form itself, but then again, right here, we click on this button, we're taken to Leadpages. It's a little bit different, but it's the same type of setup. Click the button, here's the pop-up. That's powered by Leadpages. So again, just to be clear, Leadpages is not an email list provider. You have to have your own email list provider, ConvertKit, Aweber, etc. And then you build these high converting pages with Leadpages and drive traffic from your blog and your YouTube channel. So anyways, that's number 1, Leadpages. Number 2 is ConvertKit. So ConvertKit is my personal choice for building landing pages. Now, first and foremost, ConvertKit is an email list provider who happens to provide templates that you can leverage for landing pages as well as thank you pages. Now, if you're wondering, like, well, what's the difference between them and Leadpages? Leadpages is just a dedicated website builder. And so when you pay for Leadpages, you also have to pay for an email list provider like MailChimp and then put those two together. If that makes any sense. Whereas with ConvertKit, one price, you get everything combined in one package. Now, with ConvertKit, you don't get all the features that you would get with Leadpages, like A/B testing, for example, specific like banners and exit intent pop-ups, etc. But for the average person, you get enough to get going. So you get your email list. This is going to all just built in, grows your email list, and then you get dedicated templates. So for example, like we have a lead magnet template right here. You know, you can send traffic from YouTube or your blog, get people to subscribe, or you have like a course sign up form right here, get 1,000 email subscribers next 6 months, register today. You know, you can set that sort of page up and everything just grows your email list. And also you can set up a thank you page. And so for me, this is very important because you want to get people to subscribe. Once they subscribe, you want to direct them somewhere. So direct them to a thank you page. On that thank you page, you can make an offer for a product at a discount, for example. You can add in a video right here that explains like what kind of content they're going to be getting, just to make your email marketing efforts more effective. All right, so next we have pricing plans. So they offer 3 tiers. So they have free, creator, and creator pro. And so at 0, you can just sign up for free to ConvertKit, get access to your account, and then just start playing around with templates and funnels, etc. Or you can sign up and pay $9 a month. You can have up to 300 subscribers, and then you have Creator Pro. Now, typically, people who are successful with email typically are going to be at maybe the 5,000 subscriber mark range or more. We'll just keep it there because that's kind of realistic. So for the Creator plan, it's $66 a month, and Creator Pro is $93 a month. So what's the difference between these two? Well, with the Creator Pro, what you get is Facebook custom audiences. That's very important if you're going to be running Facebook ads. So if you're going to be running Facebook ads, you have no choice but to go with Creator Pro. Newsletter referral system, subscriber scoring, and advanced reporting. Subscriber scoring is actually quite important as well because you want to know how people are interacting, the quality of your subscribers, how often they're opening emails, because this makes it easier like when it comes time to clean your email list and remove people who haven't been opening emails, haven't been buying anything and interacting with your emails. That's why you want that. So in general, I would recommend getting started with the Creator. Oh, in general, I'd recommend sign up for free, get your free account, set up your funnels, set up your forms, integrate everything with your YouTube channel and your website. And then when you're ready, upgrade to the Creator plan and get going. And then when it makes sense, when you want to run paid ads, then you're going to want the Creator Pro level on ConvertKit. So anyways, that's number 2, ConvertKit. Number 3 is Unbounce. So Unbounce is a website builder similar to Leadpages aimed at creating landing pages. Now, like Leadpages, you are going to need to pay for some type of email marketing software, like again, ConvertKit, MailChimp, Aweber, etc. What I like about Unbounce is 1, they have their smart builder, and then 2, they have their smart copy. And so these things allow you just a couple added features when creating your landing pages. So the smart builder allows you to build high converting landing pages and then have A/B testing, then just have the AI test everything to see how it's working. You also obviously get templates that you can take advantage of and use. And then the smart copy is similar kind of to Conversion AI, Jarvis now it's called, where you can just helps you write content. Okay, so content expander, etc. Just create content very easily. Now we take a look at the specific features that Unbounce provides. It's pretty simple. So let's come down here. optimized page section, style guide, copy insights, design assistance, builder grid, responsive design, multiple device page view, conversion goals, built-in Google Fonts so your website loads quickly, SVG images so your images are data so your page loads quickly, and of course A/B testing, actually unlimited A/B testing. And so this is one of the, again, biggest features of any type of like landing page builder compared to using like an email list provider who provides landing pages, is A/B testing. And again, with Unbounce, a special aspect, their unique selling point is the smart copy as well as the ability to have their smart builder. All right, so anyways, how much does this all cost? So if we come down here, we have launch, optimize, and accelerate at a monthly price plan, so $90 a month for launch, $135 for optimize, and $225 for accelerate. All right, down here, what's included: up to 500 conversions, up to 20,000 visitors, and one domain name, and you get started with a 14-day trial. So anyways, if you're looking for an enterprise level website builder with AI features, consider checking out Unbounce. So anyways, that's number 3, Unbounce. Number 4 is Seedpages. So Seedpages is a website builder for landing pages. So that means you are going to need to pay for some type of email marketing solution like ConvertKit, Aweber, MailChimp, whatever. All right, so what does Seedpages have to offer? Let's scroll down here. These are the 2 features that I personally really like that help separate them from the other website builders like Unbounce and Leadpages. First thing right here, sell products with one-click Stripe checkouts. So that's pretty helpful because you could have a landing page and say like your Instagram bio, for example, that links directly to a sales page, etc. Then you can also set up dynamic text for personalized messaging. So for example, let's just check out Neil Patel. And let's go ahead and open up his site right there. And it's like your business in Wakefield. So this is dynamic text where this constantly changes based on the location. And so that's what they mean by personalized messaging. So it is actually quite helpful depending on your use case. Now, their bread and butter is their landing page templates over here. And so they have 40 or so and a bunch of different offers. So like webinars, lead magnets, for example. This is probably the most common one. I think they could have a little bit more templates personally, like lead magnets, only 2 options. That's not a lot, but they do have a builder on the back end so you can customize these to your liking. But again, it depends on your use cases. So if you're someone who's like driving traffic from a YouTube channel and a blog, maybe Seedpages may not be right for you. But if you're more focused on like lead generation, for example, then Leadpages or Seedpages is very good. All right, so the features that save you time and shape your success. All right, so right over here with their builder, so you have a drag and drop editing, 25 plus elements, responsive breakpoints, pricing tables, gallery, shortcuts, undo, redo, device visibility, copy styles, etc., and a countdown timer. That's a big deal too. I really like that. Now, if we come over here to convert, what will we get? So we get AMP from Google, so our page loads quickly. A/B testing, which is essential for any type of website builder. Focus on landing pages, the form builder, lead magnet, dynamic text, multi-step forms. So encourage users to convert by turning complicated forms into multiple steps. So for example, like if you're trying to you're doing real estate, for example, you're like a real estate agent, you can set up a not complicated form, but multi-step form to help people onboard with the specific information that you need in a convenient way, instead of like, here's a big form with tons of fields to fill out that people are just not going to fill out. Okay, so analytics, let's check this out right here. All right, so you get key performance indicators, date range, script manager, Google Analytics, and Facebook Pixel integration if you want. Really helpful. All right, so how much does this cost over here? So ready to amp up your conversions? All right, so we'll just assume that you're going to be paying annually. For the marketer plan, $60 a month or so, $59. Startup $29, agency $119. And so right down there, smart pages, you get smart pages, AMP, conversions, and custom domain names. So for most people, I think it depends on what you're doing, but one custom domain name typically is fine because you're going to want something like pages.yourwebsite.com. That's typically how most people would kind of integrate this. Totally up to you if you just want to have your own custom domain name for your landing page. I guess you can go ahead and do that. And then if we scroll down there, you get conversion optimized text. And the startup is pretty good for the average person just looking to get started with growing their email list. So anyways, that's number 4, Seedpages. Number 5 is ClickFunnels. So ClickFunnels is technically a website builder for landing pages, but they're a whole lot more than that. Their unique selling point is that they help you build out really high converting sales funnels. So if you have like multiple product categories, courses, etc., and you want to drive paid traffic or free traffic from YouTube or blog to these dedicated products and build out complicated funnels, ClickFunnels is for you. All right, so let's scroll down just a little bit and take a quick example. So for example, you can drive people to a landing page, then they take them to a sales page, collect money, one-click upsell, then deliver your product. Very basic, simple funnel, but these types of things are already kind of built in the ClickFunnels. So you sign up, you get all your templates, everything's already kind of pre-designed, so it's really easy to get going. You can do all sorts of complicated things. So you can have webinar registration, or you could have something like, here, subscribe to my email list, and then here's video 1, then video 2 the next day, then video 3, driving people to your website, and then content lock everything. And then on the 4th day, for example, last video, call to action to buy the video course, whatever. So over here, like for example, you can just generate a broad leads page, which just drive traffic to a landing page, get people to subscribe, lots of backend features, analytics, A/B testing, etc. Then also their follow-up funnel. So let's scroll all the way down here to the bottom. Right. Oh, there we go. Okay, so right over here, you get a drag and drop editor, backpack, so you can run smart affiliate programs inside your funnel. So you can run your own affiliate program through ClickFunnels, and also follow-up funnels. So create smart email, text, messenger follow-up funnels, which also leads me into, they have nice Facebook chat bot integration. So if you want to go that route, you can do that with ClickFunnels. So let's just take a quick look. Let's navigate up top there. All right, so here are ClickFunnels features. So they have a whole dedicated sales page on all their various features, but I already just broadly covered everything that you kind of need to know as a beginner. So if you're just looking to build out a landing page and maybe a thank you page and collect emails and grow your email list, ClickFunnels is absolute overkill. ClickFunnels is ideal for anyone who already has products and they want to build out specific funnels for each individual product that they're selling online, as well as grow their email list. All right, so what's an example of ClickFunnels right here? Video Breakthrough Academy from Clark Kegley. Now, I think he paid $1,000 or so to have this custom page designed, but yeah, this is built with ClickFunnels. And so you scroll through this, total value. Let's go over here to enroll, checkout page, just all the little details. This is why people like ClickFunnels, because again, like these video testimonials right there, nice big text, checkout page looks great, what you get, student testimonials, just looks very professional. Or you can have something as simple as this. Just drive traffic here, download now. And I love this. I love clicking a button and having the pop up. It just works a little bit better than having the form on the page. Not a big deal, but the conversion rate is a little bit better. And this is also powered with ClickFunnels. So you could do something as simple as this, or build out long sales pages, etc., whatever. But ClickFunnels is ideal, again, for anyone who's looking to build out a sales funnel to sell any type of product, course, etc. that they've made. If you're looking just to build landing pages and have a thank you page and maybe a one-time offer, then ClickFunnels is really overkill for that. But it's totally up to you. Anyways, that's number 5, ClickFunnels. Number 6 is Kajabi. So Kajabi does have a landing page builder. It's pretty good, but not as feature rich as Leadpages and a couple other dedicated landing page website builders. The thing that's unique about Kajabi is that it's an all-in-one internet marketing solution. So if we come over here, what's included? You can create online courses, have a podcast, have a membership website, have newsletters, offer some type of paid service, coaching, have a website where you can blog, accept payments, build your email list, have landing pages, and set up funnels and analytics. It's like, okay, that's why Kajabi costs a little bit more than other options on the list, because it truly is an all-in-one solution. You go with Kajabi if you just want one thing, they take care of everything. Now, again, like you can cobble things together independently. So for example, like a website, you can have WordPress, podcast. If you want to have a podcast, you can just pay for that when you want to do that. Online courses, you could do something like Teachable. Funnels, you can set that up with ConvertKit. So you can put all the different services together when you're ready. But if you know that like you just want one price point, consider Kajabi. Now, with regards to their actual landing pages, it's pretty good. It's standard landing. You can just create standard landing pages. We come over here like this. You just get a bunch of templates that you can create a squeeze page with. And that's pretty much it. It doesn't really have any of like the advanced features on the back end like you get with like a Leadpages, like A/B testing, pop-ups, call to actions, etc. Really just simple to get people on the email list. All right, so anyways, how much does Kajabi cost? So right here, $159 a month if you pay annually. And so that could be a little bit expensive, but again, it's an all-in-one solution. So you get all of this with one price point. So it's pretty good. Someone who uses this is Hey Nancy Taylor. She was an online English teacher and she's kind of built a coaching business. And so this is her website, totally built with Kajabi right over here. And so she is able to collect emails, have online courses, have a blog, embed YouTube videos, etc. All done with one thing, all on one platform. So it's pretty impressive if you want like just something that's, again, all in one thing done for you. And so this is a typical landing page for the sales page. Again, nothing too fancy, not as fancy as like a ClickFunnels, but it still gets the job done. And you can gear everything towards collecting emails, etc. Anyways, that's number 6, Kajabi. Number 7 is Card.co. So I have another tutorial video on this channel that you can check out on how to use Card.co. So this is a one-page website builder. And because it's a one-page website builder, well, you can build landing pages and they're pretty good. Now let's go down here, choose a starting point. All right, so we have profiles. So for example, you have an Instagram and you want an Instagram bio link. Here you go. So you can build something out that's really custom like this, for example, instead of having Linktree like everyone does, you can actually have something beautiful and unique. And also you can just have landing pages right over here. So for example, if you're selling some type of random product, you can get started with this. And so just build out a one page. Let's click on demo. There we go. Okay. And here we go, one page for selling a product, for example. Now, obviously, you're going to have to take care of the e-commerce side on the back end. You can have links, but you have to have a checkout process already built. Card.co doesn't incorporate any type of like checkout process itself. And that's it. And so you have all these different landing pages that you can leverage for your YouTube video description, your website, etc. The only thing that I don't like is that there's no type of like thank you page. So people subscribe to your list, then within your email list provider, you have to set up a redirect to a thank you page. Well, you're going to have to set up a different domain name with Card.co. Let me explain. So for example, with Card.co Pro, you get custom domain names, you have forms, widgets, embeds, sites, etc. So we come down here, the light version is just $9 a year, very affordable. And you get 3 sites. So what I would personally do if you want to use Card for like landing pages and thank you pages, I would get the Pro Lite and then build out one site to collect emails, the landing page, and then one site for the thank you page if you want to go ahead and do that. Or you can just use it as your Instagram bio link. That's personally what I use Card for. But if you're just looking for something beautiful, simple, and cost effective at $9 a year, you can't beat that. To have a nice looking dedicated landing page to collect emails. You can't go wrong with Card.co. Now again, they're not an email list provider, so you are going to have to be paying for that type of service somewhere else and then just integrate everything over here. Card.co does integrate with most providers because they do provide the opportunity, like when you're editing one of these pages, to embed your own dedicated HTML. So here we go, nice looking page. Let's take a quick look at one more landing page. So landing page right there, and perfect. And so here you go. So you can just set up like a nice picture of an image, like an ebook or whatever. Then, you have the page right over here for people to subscribe, whatever, totally up to you. And you get a nice little editor on the back end so you can customize everything, which I cover in my other tutorial video. So anyways, that's number 7, Card.co. Number 8 is Seedprod. So Seedprod is a WordPress plugin that allows you to build dedicated landing pages for your website. So it's really powerful because you can have sales pages, coming soon pages, opt-in pages, a maintenance page, webinar, a 404 page. You can customize the login page for your WordPress website, your WP-admin. With Seedprod, you can customize all that. That's why this plugin is so useful and interesting, because it just integrates into your WordPress website. So if you're looking for something that's WordPress specific, that you don't have to pay an exorbitant price for something else, and you just creates a dedicated landing page builder, check out Seedprod. Really nice. So let's take a quick look at some of their templates. So over here, you can get an idea of what their templates look like. They also have, again, different variations, like a coming soon page. Here's a 404 page. We have a lead squeeze page to give away some type of free product, for example, that you can take advantage of. And all of these things can be edited, okay? You're not like, it's not engraved in stone, so to speak. These are just templates that you jump in, and then you can use the Seedprod builder to just edit and customize everything to your liking. So for example, let's take a look at this. This looks great. So you can have a video here, opt-in form right there, all powered by Seedprod within your website. And so it's nice because, again, you can have your WordPress theme, and then you can have Seedprod, and then you can customize and build out these dedicated pages that look great, and it's all integrated within your website. All right, so how much does Seedprod cost? Well, it's actually not too expensive. So right down here, you have basic and plus. So basic is just $39.50 a year, and you get one site, 50 pro templates, 30 pro blocks, subscriber management, access control, standard support. Now for plus over here, you get 3 sites, 100 pro templates, etc., and drag and drop builder and all that stuff that you obviously would expect from this. Now, what do I recommend? Well, if you have one website, you want to check out Basic. And so Basic is pretty good because you can set everything up. You can have multiple pages. You can have a page for your squeeze page, for your opt-in form. You can have a landing page for different types of products. You can have a 404 page. You can have a thank you page. Really nice. All of that can be done with Seedprod, and everything just integrates well with it. So for example, like ConvertKit, MailChimp, Aweber, like I keep saying, all integrate with Seedprod with no issue. So we take a quick look again. These are all their templates, and these are the price points. So anyways, if you've been looking for, again, something WordPress specific, definitely check out Seedprod. They're probably one of the best, if not the best option for WordPress if you're looking to create a landing page. So anyways, that's number 8, Seedprod. Number 9 is OptimizePress. So OptimizePress, I would describe as sort of like the WordPress version of ClickFunnels, because yeah, you can build landing pages and collect emails, etc. But OptimizePress is really like a full-on funnel builder, sort of like ClickFunnels. So if you don't want ClickFunnels and you already use WordPress and you like WordPress, take a look at OptimizePress. So what do you get? You get opt-in and landing pages, sales and offer pages, checkout pages, upsells and downsells, lead and sales funnels, and analytics. Pretty much everything that you need. Now, if we take a quick look at their landing pages, they're standard templates that you can just jump into and edit to your liking. Nothing too fancy, really simple for all sorts of use cases. So you have these squeeze pages that you can have registration, funnels, etc. So anyways, let's navigate over here, create funnels in WordPress with our sales funnel software. And this is the unique selling point of OptimizePress. So they have a whole onboarding process that will walk you through the process about how to create a sales funnel. So choose what type of funnel you want to use. They already have these pre-built funnels that you can kind of click and jump into and edit to customize it to what you're specifically doing. Choose from our beautifully optimized styles and funnels, branding, customize your pages, and then launch your funnel. And there you go. And you can do all of this with OptimizePress. So what's the price point? Well, they have 2 price points. Well, they have 3, but the ones you're going to be caring about are the Essential, which is $99 a year, and the Suite, which is $200 a year. So it's really not that expensive. Now, the Essential, you get a bunch of helpful things, but you can only use it on one personal site. So the Suite is the best deal because you can use it up to 20 sites. So again, it just depends on what you're doing. So if you have like one authority brand, you're the face of the brand, and you have a WordPress website, YouTube channel, social profiles, etc., then you probably just get by with the Essential. You don't really need the Suite. But if you have multiple websites and multiple products and you're doing a lot of complicated things online where you need multiple funnels for different websites that you're working on, then you want to take a look at the Suite offer for OptimizePress. So anyways, that's number 9, OptimizePress. And number 10 is Elementor. So anyone who knows my channel knows I'm not a big fan of Elementor because it's a framework on top of a framework. It slows down your website, and I don't like how it takes over the whole control of your look and feel of your website. It drives me crazy. But I know a lot of people like and use Elementor, so they do have a landing page feature. And so over here, when you log into WordPress and go into your Elementor plugin, you do have various landing page templates that you can take advantage of and use. Nothing special, just like here, subscribe, get a coupon code, subscribe, get an ebook coming soon, etc. And you can edit and adjust these templates as needed to fit your brand. And also Elementor has one of the best pop-up builders around. Like Elementor Pop-up Builder is great. Now, it is a little bit technical to get everything set up. And so if you're not techie, you may want to find another solution. But if you want to have full control over having really nice custom pop-ups, exit and temp pop-ups, then you can do that with Elementor, integrate it into your landing pages. Now, you do have to cobble together other services like to do A/B testing and analytics. That's not really built into Elementor. What Elementor is, first and foremost, is a website builder type plugin for WordPress. So personally, if I was looking to just create landing pages, sales pages, and thank you pages, I would use something like Seedprod or OptimizePress if I wanted a WordPress solution. But if you're already using Elementor and you like Elementor, then you could consider using their landing page features as well as their pop-up builder and integrate those two together. Anyways, that's number 10, Elementor. All right, that's it for this video on the best landing page builders. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, consider subscribing and hit that like button. My name is David from websitecreatepro.com. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day. Bye-bye.